Hey page turners, I'm your host, Jordan Rivers, and you're watching Turn the Pages. Here, I'll introduce the power of story to you and your family, discuss a valuable lesson that was taught, and give you a free gift at the end, so stay tuned. Today, I'm reviewing The Rakkoon Gang, Spring Cleaning by Nico S. Adams and illustrated by Nico S. Adams and Caden A. Adams. In The Rakkoon Gang, Spring Cleaning, there is a notorious gang. Yes, you heard me, gang. One of the raccoons wears a bandana, so we know it's a real gang, right? Plus, they have a ringleader named Hatz. This gang of raccoons is ready to wreak havoc on a suburban community. Their goal is to find the best trash because another person's trash is a raccoon's treasure. The bad part of the raccoons finding their treasure is that they make a mess for everyone else to clean up. Not only do we meet the raccoon gang, but Bucky, a young boy in the neighborhood, doesn't like the raccoon and sees them as a big problem. Will Bucky find a way to get rid of the raccoons? If you want to know what happens next, you'll have to add the book on your shelf and turn the pages to see for yourself. Every book has a lesson, and this week we learned that it's important to help keep your community clean. Truth is, wild animals can wreak havoc for homeowners due to mishandled garbage, and that creates a hefty bill. So cleanliness is definitely the way to go. If you love the story, then you should definitely make your own raccoon brown paper bag. Go to turnthepages.org and print a free download on your raccoon. Decorate it the way you want, but that's not all. Now you can print a worksheet based off of the book to test those reading comprehension skills. Well, that's it for today, but don't forget to turn the pages, and I'll see you soon. Until then, I'll turn the page and see what happens in the end.